Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can delete a product in your Webnode page. So let's start. The first thing you want to do, next to the pages, you're gonna have products here, and right here you're gonna see like a liter of longevity, whatever, and you're gonna see these three dots here. So you want to click on it and just click delete, and this is how you do it. So yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and stuff like that. You know how it goes. And yeah. Goodbye.